yung face man? Not happy? Ano? It's so for baby? Your baby pa man. Sean's first try. Sean! Ay, wala pa gani. Wala pa nagtakbo. Dance, dance, dance. Go! Dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Wow! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Wow! Asus, asus. Bye-bye, Shanshan! Wow! You want to ride, Shan? Ride, Shan! Go, dito ikaw. It's okay lang. Go, try. You try. Go. Go, faster. Faster, go. Faster na, ride. Gamay kaayo. Wow! Ay, dance! Pwede na giday siya. Babs! Babs! Ayaw kayo lihok ha ng naan ko. Ayaw ilihok kayo. O, doon daw ikaw. Doon ikaw sa spaceship. Kunin mo siya, Babs. Kunin mo. Ambi ang bag. Wow! Ready for your next ride? Yay! Shan is Abby? Abby, up!
Pero, di lumawa.
Uh-oh! Next ride, si Shanshan. Yay! Go! Yay! Sikipan mo lang. Wow! There! Smile, Ahya! Wow! Go, Daddy! is Sean's first ride, so mommy will put this in YouTube. Wow! Wow! Hold ikaw ha! Hold ha! Gani. Hold ha! Wow! Hold, Shanshan! Hold. Wow! Sige, ikot mo, Shan.
Dito, kuya next.
Yes, one right egg.
That's spaceship. Wow! Ang Shanshan na yan. Ay, happy Sean. How about Shannon? Happy Shannon. Big no music. Oh, dance, dance, dance. And dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Bag ko. Dance, dance, dance. And dance, dance, dance. Oh. Dance. Kita sa vlog ni Mami ang pungit. Oh no. Wow. Wow. Oh, dance, dance, dance again. Oh, dance, dance, dance. No more. Next na. Next. You get na, Sean. Next, next, next. Hello.
Siyan, ikaw muna siyan doon. Parang muna doon. Red version.
Wow. Hello.
Hold na lang, Sean.
Hello, Sean. Sean, Sean. Hold properly si Sean, ha? Wow. Awak, ay, wow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, kids. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sean. Wow. Bye-bye, Sean, Sean. What? Bye. Where's Sean? I cannot see Sean. There. Ipakita ko ba buo? Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Happy Sean. Oh, oy. 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 Op, op. Nahulog, Babs. Nahulog si Sean. Ang bibi.
Nahulog siya, nagdat lang. Isang nagdat.
Kishan! Wow! Oh! Bakit dyan ka na naghawak? Ha? Bakit dyan ka na naghawak? Ha? Ba't nandyan ka na? Ano yung face man? Not happy? Ano? It's so for baby? Your baby pa man.
I'm 7 years old.
Ay, nako.
How can a 7-year-old become a baby?
Why you don't want mommy to be your baby? I mean, your mommy's baby.